In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize Jira workflows. This is a fantastic skill to have whether you're just starting out with Jira or looking to enhance your project management capabilities. So, let's dive right in. First, we begin our journey on your Jira dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is a gateway to a myriad of settings, and here it opens up a drop-down menu giving you various options to explore. From this menu, you'll want to select Issues. This section houses all the tools you need to manage different aspects of your workflow, including configuration and customization of various features. Now, as you delve deeper into the issue settings, look for the section labeled Workflows. Here, you'll get the option to click on Add Workflow. This is where the magic begins. When you click on this, you'll navigate to an interface designed for creating and customizing workflows in Jira. This is your canvas. Next, you'll want to hit the button that says Create New. This will prompt you to come up with a name for your workflow. Choose a name that's descriptive and meaningful for your project and team. Optionally, you can also provide a description. This description doesn't need to be exhaustive, just jot down a few lines explaining the purpose or specifics of this workflow for anyone who might work with it in the future. Once you've populated the name and description fields, go ahead and click Create. This action finalizes your entry and sets the stage for defining the specific sequences of your workflow. At this point, you need to add statuses to illustrate the various stages of an issue. Think of statuses as the different steps an issue takes from conception to completion. To do this, just click on Add Status. Typical statuses might include To Do, In Progress, and Done, but feel free to tailor these to suit the exact needs of your project. After defining statuses, the next step is to outline how these statuses interconnect. This is made possible by adding transitions. By clicking Add Transition, you establish pathways for issues to move between statuses. For example, you might create a transition that moves an issue from To Do to In Progress. Clearly, these transitions are essential for understanding how work progresses within your workflow. Once you've meticulously set the statuses and transitions, it's time to bring everything together. Review your workflow configuration to make sure everything aligns with your project's requirements. When satisfied, click on Publish. This action makes your workflow live and usable in your Jira projects. And there you have it, a fully customized Jira workflow ready to streamline your project management and increase efficiency. With these skills in your toolset, you're well equipped to manage projects more effectively. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial and happy project management.